The best and easiest way to reach out to things of need is keeping the things in its place in an organized manner. Now, the most busiest junction of every home is the kitchen, with each and every family member using the kitchen. And it becomes mostly important keeping the kitchen organized in every possible way that we can. So here is my third episode of Keeping Kitchen Organized. Have a look. These unattended wires of the gadgets almost tangle up and also not easier to clean up the surface easily on a daily basis. These cable ties which come along with the wires and gadgets are the best and easiest way to use them. Secure them tight to the length we need to on a daily basis. Apart from them are these reusable adjustable cable tie straps which are more secured to fasten. Keeping the wires neat and tidy, I make sure to lay them on the kitchen countertop skirting to make that everyday cleaning process easy and accessible. I'm in love using these cotton muslin cloths as my kitchen towels. And this is my new pack filled with lovely colors. Of course, they had to be coming from babies and toddler sections to buy. Meant to be used for the soft, tender and delicate skin. I highly prefer using them over the kitchen tea towels for the super absorbing quality and the wonderful soft texture they carry. Soft on hands and dry wiping the pots and pans. Let me show you. I have a bowl which has come from the wash. These tea towels hardly absorb the water after giving a wipe. And I had to show you the difference with my previous muslin cloth, ignoring the state of the cloth it has reached to. I mean, it's a kitchen towel, guys, and I've been using it for years now. Hence, the new pack now, which has to be given a wash before its use. Well, look how easy it was to wipe down all the water from the bowl. Nice and dry. They're super soft on your hands and quite versatile too. I also use muslin cloth to tie my grains to be sprouted. Beautiful with the colors, I fold them up and arrange them in a basket, in a way to be picked with ease. The whole idea of keeping the napkins in a basket is creating a space. Earlier, I had the kitchen napkins folded and layered vertically on top of each other, which just didn't work. Having them in a basket, preferably with a lid on, creates adequate space to stock a box one above the other and keeping the napkins covered up. This big steel container is filled with chapati ka atta, which I almost use every day. I have these measuring scoop spoons in almost all flour containers, making that everyday kitchen activity more clean and easier to use. And having these spoons in the flour keeps the kitchen floor clean, which otherwise ends up being a lot of mess using flours, requiring less attention to mop the floor. Now, this particular shelf in the kitchen has the spacing, which gave me an idea to accommodate the rolls which badly needed attention and was seeking to have their own space. And my favorite command hooks came to the rescue again. I lined up 2 hooks parallel to each other on the cabinet door. Now using a gift bag to hold the reusable oven linings. I got rid of the kitchen foil box, keeping just the foil. And the same with the baking sheet too. Trying to keep it lighter just to hold on to the rolls. This bag has been working pretty well ever since I've had it to hold the rolls. A very simple and easy way of keeping the gadgets clean in your kitchen is to cover up the gadgets when not in use. I have this electric cooker used only when I have guests at home. Hence, it's always covered up with a plastic cover. I just keep reusing the plastic cover again and again. Keeping the gadgets covered ensures there's no dust spillage accumulated on them. Having a splashback on the kitchen wall right behind the sink tap adds in color, decor, and above all, keep the wall and surface away from dirt. Easier to maintain the splashbacks by giving it just a wipe. I've recently added silicone caddy to my kitchen sink. I prefer to choose the blue to match the kitchen cabinets. It has holes at the bottom on both the sides to drain water, keeping the kitchen sponges and scrubbers clean. It's easy to clean, foldable and flexible. Securely straddle onto the kitchen sink, discharging excess water effectively, helping the scrubs and mop air dry naturally. It can also be used to hang onto the tap. One of the most important measures of keeping kitchen organized is ensuring and arranging a separate cupboard, preferably a drawer if you could, to stack in snacks, especially for your kids and adults at home, as this is one of the most used section by every member of the family using the kitchen. Having the space and a shelf here and there for snacks amidst other kitchen items makes it more messy. Allocating a drawer which makes it easily accessible, giving a clear visual of all that is stacked up in one place, is in itself a great organizing feature. Now in this drawer, let's try and use it to its very potential by using a command hooks once again, but this time in a different approach. These multi-crisp packets can be quite annoying every time a pack is picked, leaving the wrapper and empty bags spreading up. So I thought, why not make it interesting by punching in a hole right at the top of every individual pack. But yes, very important to ensure to punch just right, keeping the air intact and still managing to get the punched area to hook. It took some time for me to get it right. You will be easily able to notice a few extra trial punches. Time to hook them up, keeping the crisp packets neat, tidy and fun for children to pick. I really hope you liked today's kitchen organizing ideas. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. And also comment below as to what you would like to see in my next upcoming videos. Take care everyone. Bye for now.